Hi guys, welcome back to eKhon TV. I'm so excited about today's interview with Nimshim Jajo. She is not just a celebrated Manipur makeup artist, but she is also renowned all over Northeast community and also in India. Nimshim Jajo, he India NYX Cosmetics Face Awards, the first organized Kasali and the winner Kansane. It only Manipur community or Naga community, the first winner, the meaning she's the first Indian to win the NYX Cosmetics Face Awards. Jane nana ishi E-khon Vashum nana the approach kasali miyak me wangali niche abere ishi nana approach kasai the no influence he the issue the audience he the makeup artist sak ngai zangkha the jury nani chumaram nam thami the han sein sakai gala nani ara optui nam tha agai mathe jena the no kharjani issue itumi community we anina thami the share sang sakai no kharjani media houses kuchul na share sai re kha the itumi audience itum connect to wang the thami the issue eKhon na cover thami ai jene makeup the nahi makeup artist sai kya khasang hai do
ये makeup artist का आरा ज़रूर contribute करते हैं.
Okay, ना makeup artist का साइन नहीं अभी लखो है ना ये makeup artist आप मोरा द ले सागा ना दिल्ली का तमी makeup artist आप भाई वांग का जिला का खसद ना makeup artist का सावी journey ही क्यों होता है share सामने.
ये नहीं जाऊँ ना makeup की interest में तुम्हें का इन दिल्ली का ही makeup artist सारे द का नहीं में का इन दिल्ली का लगा hospitality का बहुत सारा लगा YouTube tutorials, everyday makeup tutorials and inspired time now in the professional diploma course care.
Okay, interesting sala clear. Ka ituna in the way the interviews kajun the fire chik baji some way the break create the shy jina the break ka the break create jina the chumar chik the kan say
in course of side the Shiko Bank the studio also say ka duty he kazao kita surgery bank the he surgery sa the communication ka leo kita the right side bank he mutai tu je ya jane the chula dam ji the zimni prep
he the makeup artist sa the mutai ji the in a way only the in your shoe, when I put myself in your shoe, imagine such a way that emotionally, hazardly, the mentally, we are so surprised that you are what you are now, renowned by everybody. The makeup industry, large, and then recovery at 2 years break period, no one the biggest challenge no good 2 years break. Yeah, some the quick he recovered slightly, Nalikiba and John or good had overcome separating
the 2 years I don't need one hard on the side reach I don't say go outside the outside the minimum we feel the except term he wasn't struggles emotionally the struggle the drug say the muktai adam here really like me adam chila kuyami the tanga the realize that atoma something juga me kedai bahada mikri magala the governor drug ya ke hanglak se juga mình ác không thấy là lạ không thấy phì chứ là liên quan mà he realize something cái mình ác thấy thì cái thoáng nhá mình nhiều là yêu mình là ta lên mình hay là we start sang sắp tới mình bị là cái chuyện này là học một cái gì đó là cái cái mình thà rằng đi family mình sang học chúng là abong the end day chúng mình join mình
I don't know makeup classes nana queen pokai I don't mean think I once again congratulations because the makeup class start the chubai mainly the start the idea behind starting this makeup class
jungle in the creation makeup class we did 각보다 나가다가 그 어만 impression 나가다가 또 이런 사인 주다가 나가 장 큰이 종이 내가 어디 어떤 것이만 그 런 것이만 그 기가 뭐든 거의 지기를 안 돼. 이야기 Jenna shopping the dragon handcraft the jewelry the iron box Hitawi glass studio makeup studio in the Juena how she sunny in the studio give a basic and how the professional machine the had a one-on-one interaction in what it's like he lives classy course in professionally independent social provider career.
Nisha cái các bạn thấy đâu về future plans là các bạn thấy ngay no future plans là các daily makeup studio sao là các bomber các no về các expansion plans là này các bạn
future plans thì là ini berapa bayang ada sampai ke Manipur kalau pakai studio mereka ada show by the plan satu.
Good luck. Kalau tidak Ukhrul alun tidak kita classes si popular masa nalar kita kalau makeup le interest lagi juga tidak theli ina kesala saya. Jena tidak jam sada makeup artist Sarah jika isu audience ini makeup artist sangat sah in question ini hanya makeup artist aku Sarah jika kelas kesan leader pasal pun or the key recommend sangai kada atau makeup artist aka sangai jika what do you recommend that they should do?
Makeup artist aka sangai jika class kesan jadi boleh sana kaya kada itu nak jadi yang mereka basic satu je makeup artist apa itu so mereka professional aka sangai jika class tu mereka lah basic kan kui mereka ada theory mereka kini basic lah theory lah mereka tu mereka kini ni cakap apa?
Okay. Kalau itu mana, jadi ini lah personally encounter saya question apa ni? Apa ni makeup artist sangai jika naura bingli he makeup artist ke saya itu ni self grooming memang berkah sana kalau earning prospects mana ni lucrative sana ni dah bawa bing ting hay le chung le naura bing saya sana Jena tada nana itu ni tada kami kai ni hui makeup artist ke saya hui job prospects kalau tada makeup artist saya earning he tada kerja kalau tada rinci berlah.
Hansai juga itu makeup artist prospect chung le like itu ni photoshoot sana la album cover la movie bang ni juga la ke time card itu bridal makeup la demand sana ini dah ni ya makeup artist la eKhon bakal Hansai juga movie juga la shop terleh runner entertainment macam la Vashum production macam la asyik la makeup artist tak ada sih saya jadi Ukhrul ni masa itu movie makeup artist prospect juga la itu ni ya jadi tu makeup artist apa sangat kan nimuk zalak la ada selalu sih hangai la ni tu makeup care merang kami kan ada tinggal ke inbox ini Facebook ni laga Instagram ni inbox selalu laga ini shop itu ni jual ni paling jual lah kerja.
Okay, that is absolutely good news for our audience. Pada jam sada Ukhrul kita ada classes itu juga malay ni. Jadi tada Ukhrul na seminar tada short 10-day kita wala ada or 5-day seminar kita he ada ungkui ni by possibilities mulai do
tada jumlah ni exactly jika Ukhrul bab ni national ni cuma hangra le ya so exactly so definitely yes.
Okay, so we are almost at the end of our interview. Ada kenal saya nawi ada lo cuma isinya tada premier ke tada nawi saya ada lebih dah kenal. Ara kenal saya tada nana isi audience memang kalau eKhon memang tada generally tada key any words for us.
kenal saya ini untuk yang lain untuk fashion kalau saya dah hangai struggle challenges struggle rasa ini ada kita kalau ke ila ini minjam ini sangat ngai fashion di ila 살다가 사다 이라 그저 그전라 살다 이거 satisfied saya juga ila physical challenges juga akamati 살다 기방 살아 근데 이제는 좀더 살아도 이나 사셔가 버는 좀더 팬 사셔기다 이제는 always working hard.